Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Spark program. Now, when I first heard about this program, I was a bit confused as to why they would make members of parliament decide on the roads to be fixed. Now, the Spark program is one of the largest road programs ever in Jamaica. The government is going to be spending $40 billion over 2 years to fix 2,000 community roads in Jamaica. Now they have this process where the member of parliament is to have consultations with the people in the community to figure out which roads to fix. But I'm not sure why they went that route. Because everybody's going to want their road fixed. There's nobody you're going to talk to in a community that says, okay, don't fix the road I live on, fix the road that somebody else lives on. And then members of parliament don't have the technical know how to assess the roads, meaning it will be more the National Works Agency that have the entity has engineers working there. Members of parliament are not engineers. And based on some comments that some members of parliament have said about spending money, I'm not sure if they are the best people to make the decision because I find it hard to believe that they are going to fix roads in areas of the community that they know are not going to vote for them. I just can't see it. I mean, maybe will happen. I don't know. But they should not be put in charge of this project. I think the National Works Agency, who has the engineers, who have the experience in fixing roads, who have more technical people in terms of road assessing the roads, etc., should have been put in charge of the entire project. Now, the National Works Agency is going to be spending 20 billion out of the 40 billion. So it's split between the members of parliament and the National Works Agency. But I think the National Works Agency should have been put in charge of the entire project, and they should have been told, okay, 50 roads in every constituency must be fixed. Give them some sort of directive. But I think they would be in a better position to assess the roads and understand basically, okay, it don't make sense we fix this road unless we fix this road, and they will help with the flow of traffic. But I never really understood why members of parliament were put in charge of half of the project, 20 billion. Now the community roads, they need fixing. Every community in Jamaica, you can find roads to be fixed. So guys, what do you think? Do you think members of parliament should have been put in charge of the Spark program for their constituency, or do you think the National Works Agency should have been in charge of the entire 40 billion? Now, the National Works Agency in Jamaica fixes main roads. The parochial roads are to be fixed by the parish council. But going the route of the parish council, I don't think that would have been a good idea. We'll talk about that in another video. So I think for this one project, the Spark program, the National Works Agency should have been allowed to fix parochial roads. Because when the municipal corporations or the parish councils fix the roads, it is money that a difference budget it would come from. Spark program is a special project that is 40 billion in all. So guys, let us know what you think about the members of parliament being a part of the Spark program. Alright guys, have a good day.